Here are the 5 steps to get your window from that to this clean. What you need is just some basic stuff, toilet paper and newspaper. First, we're gonna soak both of them. And then, dip the newspaper into the ashes, just clean the glass. Use the toilet paper as a rag, and this is what you will get. But before we get to that, use the wet toilet paper, wipe off the residue. In our final sweep, use a dry piece of toilet paper or anything else and do a nice dry sweep, and voila, there you go. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks.